Go and get it so I can get it. This is the cave. There's a giant tarantula just next to my head.
And the mermaid came out and turned
Oh, how far back does it go?
This is where we're sitting when a giant tarantula was crawling next to my head.
Okay.
And that's a true story.
Okay.
No, it's not.
Is it really hot?
You like cold plunge?
Like green.
This is a hot plunge. Come on, sit down. Bro, I can't stand the cold, but I can take
Oh,
the
it
heat.
is hot. I don't like that.
No, I'm not. I'm sitting there 'cause it's hot.
Dude, it's not that bad, bro. It's only like 108. Why do you look so angry all the time, bro?
Because this is miserable. Alright, I got you.
Those loops are for your hands. Or your feet. Trust them up.
I'm like,
Yeah.
hope it's alright that your bag is soaked. Yeah, I'm gonna pass this to you though.
You got it, girl. You got it, you're fine. On your way to Kingman, let's go. Come on, use the rope. Use the rope. Use the rope. Hey, come on.
That seems a little better.
Rolling right there. Yep. Good. Ground is right here.
Coming out of the sweat.
My name's Deadly Major, and I can do anything. You can put it on the next one. There you go. Yep. There you go. Keep it moving. Keep it moving. Keep it moving. Doing good. Doing good. Deadly Major's training. That's her name. Yeah, girl.
What do you think?
Nice. It's cool.
Ow!
Oh, it's hot. Mermaid. Hello. Hello.
Is that a vine?
You
or
hear
is
that?
a rope? I think it's a vine.
Mermaid, move on. Eat some food because you're looking like shit right now. Exactly. You have to eat food and drink water in the sun.